Go.
So now that these tubes have incubated at room temperature for 15 minutes, I'm going to centrifuge them at 9,000 RPMs for 15 seconds. So I'm going to do the minor and then the major. That's just for 15 seconds. And then I'll do the control after, just so that I can balance. So I'm going to time for 15 seconds. So it's been 15 seconds. And I'm going to examine the supernatant for hemolysis. So I actually see hemolysis on the major cross match and none on the minor. So what I'll do next is I will resuspend the cells and look for micro and macro agglutination. So the first one I'll do is the minor. I'll place one drop on here. And I will put the cover slip on it. And I will look under the microscope. So I'll do it in at a low power. So I don't see any agglutination. All the cells are nice and round and they're freely moving. There's a couple of them are crenated, but they aren't agglutinated either. So that was for the minor one, and now I'm going to do the major one. So I will resuspend the major one. And then place a drop on the cover slip, on the slide, and then use the cover slip. And I'm going to do the same thing. So on the cross match, I see micro agglutination, where some of the red blood cells have kind of concaved with each other, and are kind of floating around. And I don't see a major agglutination, but I see a little bit of the micro agglutination. So this would not be a match. then I would do the same thing with the control, just for comparison purposes. So here's the control.
No, I just have to count something. Oh, okay.
And
Trying to be a little-
I don't see any agglutination in the control here. So on the major cross match we saw micro agglutination.